Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to reveal to you how you can make an image or photo or picture your slides background in your presentations on LibreOffice Impress. So let us dive into this. So in 2026 it works the following way. Navigate to your presentation on LibreOffice Impress, select the given slide here on the left hand side and right click into it to select its slide properties. You guys switch to the background tab. And as you can see, it will be set to none on default, but you can go with a colored background, gradient, pattern, but also image. Click into it. And after that, you may go, for example, one of these images from the LibreOffice Impress library, or you may click into add/import to navigate to the file on your device, upload it, and once that's done, click into OK. You may, of course, customize the style and the layout of the image, for example, the width and the height, the position in center, left, top, right, and so on and so forth. And that's it, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.